Every spring in Central Asia, a special tradition begins. It starts with plain wheat. It's taken from a bag into a bowl and carefully cleaned and washed. Then it is spread out on a flat surface and left to grow. It is watered every day. Day by day, the wheat begins to change. Small sprouts appear, turn green, and are filled with life and strength. After a few days, it is ready.
Keep the handle steady.
The twigs are cut and passed through a
Watch your
grinder.
fingers on the blade. Keep
Then
pressing,
the
we
rich
need more.
liquid is gradually extracted.
Look, almost
This
done. Push
natural
harder.
essence becomes the heart of Sumalak.
Let me pour.
Meanwhile, a large pot is prepared.
careful, it's
Water is
hot.
poured into the pot,
Add
then
the
wheat
grains
extract
now.
and flour are added.
Just keep stirring,
Everything
sister.
is mixed.
It's almost
The
ready.
process begins, and the women gather around the pot to start cooking.
Looks delicious. Is it soon?
As the evening draws in, the fire continues to burn. The sumalak gradually thickens. By morning, the sumalak is almost ready.
Be careful.
The
hold
cauldron is
fabric
closed
tightly.
and left to rest.
Pressing it down now. Let it simmer.
Later that day, it is finally opened. Children and families gather, excitedly holding bowls. And finally, the sumalak is weighed, a dish made with time, patience, and togetherness. Will you try this ancient tradition?